All right, so I'm titling this video Your First Gospel Lesson. So we're going to learn this in the key of C, and then we're going to take what we learned and move it to C sharp, D, so on and so forth. And I'm going to let you practice learning this progression in every single key, okay? So here we go. We're going to start off in the key of C. We're going to do the first part of the progression is going to be a 1, 7, 3, 6, okay? So I'll play it all the way through first, and then I'll break it down. So here we go. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I just did. I started off on the 1. You have a 1 here, 1, 1, all different variations of the 1 you can do, but it really just starts off on the 1. Your next chord is going to be a 7, right? So this is what the 7 looks like. Looks like it's a B minor 7, flat 5. From the 7, you're moving to a 3. Now what you're going to see is I have E and E in my left hand, right hand, A flat, C, D, and G. And this is where I'm going to land on the 6. Now the 7-3-6 progression is already a popular progression, right? So this is already a popular progression, but we're going to keep going. Then we have the 5-1-4, 5, 1 to land on the 4. Right? My 5 is a 5 minor 7, G minor 7. This is a C dominant chord, right? What are the characteristics of this chord? You have a regular C major, and then this flat 7 right here. Okay? So, and then I land on the 4. So let's recap real quick. We start off on a 1, 7, 3, 6. This is A minor 9, 5, 1, 4. Let's keep going. 3, 6, 2. Walk it up. 3, 4, 5, 1. And now we can take that same concept and bring it to the next key. Here's a trick. If you're ever confused on where to go next, let's say for example, if I say, hey, can you play that same 7 in C sharp this time? What you would do is you just play the 7 in C sharp. I'm sorry, here. Play that 7 in C sharp, and you can literally just go up a key, right? So I'll take this B, go up a key to a C. I go up a key here, here, and here, and it's the same chord, right? So I'll start from a 1. I know it's the same math, really. And then we move on to that 3 chord. Here we go. And we land on the 6. Here's our 5. 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Here we go. Oh, lost my train of thought. Ooh, I like that. But this sounds good too. And we got D. Take the same progression, do it in D. Learn it in D now. 7, 3, and 6. There we go. try to find that 5, 5, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. All right, cool. So that's the progression. Try to learn it first in C. After you learn it in C, then you move up to the next key, and so on and so forth. And I also believe that this song could be used as talk music, right? Or even if it's a prayer moment. You can break up the chords to create just some really soft background music. So watch this. So there you have it. Send this to a family or friend who's also trying to learn gospel music. Whoever you think would really benefit from this video. See you guys on the next one. Deuces.